Should you make repairs before listing your home? Everybody tells you yes, but nobody tells you what the benefit is. And that's because there are two completely different buyers out in the marketplace. We have buyers that want move-in ready, and we have other buyers that want a home where they can actually make the improvements themselves. Well, let's just dig right in on that. But before that, I'm Rachel Mooney, and I sell real estate here around North Metro Atlanta, focusing primarily on Forsyth County. So what do I mean? We have two different buyers that want two different outcomes, and that actually brings two different results to you as the homeowner. So a survey that was done actually via Zillow, homes that had a description that these were move-in ready homes actually sold for a higher percentage than homes that needed work, actually investor homes or homes that were not move-in ready, that were lacking maintenance and people had to turn them and flip them. Those homes actually make 14% less than a home that is in move-in ready condition. And that is because the buyers that are willing to buy want move-in ready. As a matter of fact, 62% of homes that have sold because they were move-in ready, buyers, all they had to do was bring in their stuff, their personal items, and live in the house. They didn't have to organize carpet, organize paint, get a new roof, update the kitchen. They didn't want to do those things. And so there is actually a larger buyer pool for homes that are move-in ready. We see that here in Forsyth County. And so when I sit with a seller, we have that conversation. Are you willing to make some improvements on the house? If so, how much are you willing to spend? And is there or is there not a buyer pool that is willing to pay for that? The answer is yes. Currently in Forsyth County, buyers want move-in ready homes. What does that mean for you? When you sit down with us, we will have a conversation about let's do these items or let's not do these items. What is it going to cost you? What is it not going to cost you? Most sellers have it this as a mathematical equation in their head. If I pay X or put in X into the house, I'm going to get Y out of it. And that's absolutely not true. It's just a matter of which buyer are you wanting to try to attract. Do you want a buyer that's willing to pay for a move-in ready home, price it as a move-in ready home, and actually have it as a move-in ready home? Or are you trying to attract the investor buyer? We do have investor buyers out in our marketplace. They are a thinner buyer. They are less available than just a traditional buyer. But some of our sellers are more interested in that, and that is okay. So we will have that conversation with you in this marketplace. Does it make sense to put money into your house? And what is your return? Or does it make sense to just sell it as is? This marketplace can be very, very tricky, especially here in Forsyth County, because we are competing against new construction. That makes it a little bit more difficult when you are trying to have a resale sell at its highest price. These things need to be move-in ready. We're going to guide you and counsel you on what makes the most sense based off what it is that you're trying to achieve. So I hope that this information is helpful. Before you start any home project, sit with us. Let's decide what type of buyer you want. Do you want the move-in ready buyer or do you want the investor buyer? And that is going to be how we guide that conversation moving forward. See you next time.